Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are diving into the world of truck accessories to bring you the ultimate guide to the best truck toolboxes on the market. Whether you are a professional tradesperson or an AV DIY enthusiast, having the reliable toolbox is essential for keeping your gear organized and secure on the road. Join us as we reveal the top 7 truck toolboxes that combine durability, functionality, and value. Let's get started. At the first position of our list, we have the DeWalt TS Tag 2 Toolbox, a robust and versatile solution for organizing and transporting your tools with ease. Designed with durability in mind, this 13-inch toolbox features a flat top capable of holding up to 66 pounds of equipment, making it ideal for heavy-duty use on construction sites or in workshops. Crafted with high-quality materials, the DeWalt TS Tag 2 Toolbox is built to last, ensuring long-term durability and reliability. Its rugged design can withstand rough handling and harsh environments, providing peace of mind that your tools are well protected. The innovative TS Tag 2 design allows for seamless stacking and interlocking with other TS Tag units, providing customizable storage solutions to suit your specific needs. Its efficient organization system features removable compartments and a spacious interior, allowing you to keep your tools organized and easily accessible. Priced competitively, the DeWalt TS Tag 2 Toolbox offers excellent value for its quality and features. Whether you are a professional tradesperson or a DIY enthusiast, this toolbox is sure to enhance your productivity and efficiency on the job. At number 2, we have BougeRV Predex 1701680 Black Poly Trailer Tongue Truck Tool Cargo Storage Box, a rugged and practical solution for storing and protecting your tools and equipment on the go. Crafted from durable polyethylene, this storage box is built to withstand the elements, ensuring your gear remains safe and secure during transport. With a sleek black design, the BougeRV Predex 1701680 adds a touch of style to any trailer, tongue, or truck bed. Its compact size makes it ideal for smaller vehicles, while still offering ample storage space for tools, straps, and other essentials. Equipped with a stainless steel latch and a molded padlock tab, the storage box provides added security, giving you peace of mind that your valuables are well protected. Its weather-resistant construction ensures that your tools stay dry and protected from rain, snow, and other elements. Priced competitively, the BougeRV Predex 1701680 offers excellent value for its quality and features. Whether you are a contractor, landscaper, or weekend warrior, this storage box is a must-have accessory for keeping your tools organized and accessible on the job. Next up at number 3, we have GORE Underseat Storage Truck Toolbox Organizer, a versatile and efficient solution for maximizing storage space in your truck. Designed to fit seamlessly under the rear seat of most trucks, this organizer provides a convenient and secure way to store and organize your tools, equipment, and other essentials. Crafted from high-quality materials, the GORE Underseat Storage Truck Toolbox Organizer is built to last, ensuring durability and reliability for years to come. Its rugged construction can withstand heavy use and rough conditions, making it ideal for both professional contractors and weekend warriors. Featuring a sleek and ergonomic design, the organizer maximizes space while maintaining easy access to your tools. Its divided compartments and adjustable dividers allow for customizable storage options, ensuring that everything has its space and stays organized. Effectiveness is key, and the GORE Underseat Storage Truck Toolbox Organizer delivers. With its innovative design and durable construction, it provides a secure and efficient way to store and transport your tools, ensuring that they are always within reach when you need them. Priced competitively, the GORE Underseat Storage Truck Toolbox Organizer offers excellent value for its quality and features. Whether you are a professional tradesperson or a DIY enthusiast, this organizer is sure to enhance your productivity and efficiency on the job. The number 4 position is held by VOR Utility Box Chest, a robust and secure storage solution designed to keep your tools and valuables safe and organized. Crafted from high-quality steel, this utility box is built to withstand the vices of daily use, ensuring durability and longevity for years to come. Featuring a spacious interior, the VOR Utility Box Chest provides ample storage space for tools, equipment, and other essentials. Its lockable design, complete with keys, offers added security, giving you peace of mind that your belongings are safe and protected. The Utility Box Chest's versatile design makes it suitable for a wide range of applications, from construction sites to workshops to truck beds. Its compact size allows for easy placement in tight spaces, while its durable construction ensures that your tools stay secure and organized wherever you go. Priced competitively, the VOR Utility Box Chest offers excellent value for its quality and features. Whether you are a professional tradesperson or a DIY enthusiast, this utility box chest is sure to meet your storage needs without breaking the bank. The number 5 position is dominated by Undercover Swing Case Truck Bed Storage Box, a revolutionary storage solution designed to maximize space and organization in your truck bed. Crafted from durable ABS plastic, this storage box is built to withstand the elements, ensuring your tools and gear remain safe and secure in any weather condition. The swing case's unique swing-out design allows for easy access to your belongings without the need to climb into the bed, making it a convenient and efficient storage solution for busy professionals and weekend warriors alike. Its locking mechanism provides added security, giving you peace of mind that your valuables are protected from theft. Effectiveness is key, and the swing case delivers with its spacious interior and customizable dividers, allowing you to organize your tools and gear to suit your specific needs. Its weather-resistant construction ensures that your belongings stay dry and protected even in the harshest conditions. Priced competitively, the Undercover Swing Case Truck Bed Storage Box offers excellent value for its quality and features. Whether you are a contractor, tradesperson, or other enthusiast, this storage box is sure to enhance your productivity and efficiency on the job. Next up at number 6, we have the Acro 09514 Pro Box 14-inch plastic toolbox for tools, the ultimate solution for organizing and transporting your tools with ease and efficiency. Crafted from high-quality plastic, this toolbox is built to withstand the demands of daily use, ensuring durability and reliability for all your tool storage needs. Featuring a spacious interior with a removable tray, the Acro Pro Box offers ample storage space for your tools and accessories. Its steady construction and reinforced corners provided its strength and stability, making it ideal for both professional contractors and DIY enthusiasts. The toolbox's compact design and comfortable handle make it easy to carry and transport, while its lockable latch provides added security for your valuable tools. Its stackable design allows for convenient storage in your workshop or garage, saving your valuable space and keeping your tools organized and accessible. Priced competitively, the Acro 09514 Pro Box offers excellent value for its quality and features. Whether you are a professional tradesperson or a hobbyist, this toolbox is sure to meet your needs and exceed your expectations. Last but certainly not least, finally at number 7, we have the Predex 1702-305 Black Steel Underbody Truck Box, a rugged and secure storage solution designed to withstand the demands of the job site. Constructed from heavy-duty steel, this underbody truck box is built for durability, providing reliable storage for your tools and equipment in any weather condition. Featuring a sleek black finish, the Predex 1702-305 adds a touch of style to your truck while offering ample storage space for your gear. Its lockable T-handle latch provides added security, ensuring that your belongings stay safe and protected during transport. The underbody truck box's versatile design allows for easy installation beneath the truck bed, maximizing storage space without sacrificing valuable cargo space. Its spacious interior and adjustable shelf provide customizable storage options, allowing you to organize your tools and equipment to suit your specific needs. Priced competitively, the Predex 1702-305 offers excellent value for its quality and features. Whether you are a professional contractor or a weekend warrior, this underbody truck box is sure to meet your storage needs and exceed your expectations. Thanks for tuning in to our roundup of the best truck toolboxes. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more expert reviews and recommendations on essential truck accessories. With one of these top-rated toolboxes, you can keep your gear organized and secure wherever your adventures take you. Stay tuned for our next video, and until next time, happy trucking!